Hi, this is Daisy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hey there, welcome to Step To It. Today we're going to go over a few things that might happen after a vine. So a brush, step, touch, or stomp, and where your weight should be when you're done. So if I'm going to make a right hand vine, I'm going to step out, step behind, step out to the right again, and I would either brush or touch. If I was going to do either of those, that would indicate that my weight didn't change and I'm ready to take my next maneuver with my left foot because the weight's on the right. If I did a step behind step with a step or a stomp, I might change my weight and then I might move out with my right being free. Or I might step, stomp, and move with my left. But that gives me an either or because it depends on what the choreographer wants in the dance. If I was going to do the same thing to the left, I would step behind, step, brush, or touch, step with a weight change or not, or stomp with a weight change or not. So those are just a few things that you can do after your vine. Be sure that you know where your weight is so you can make your next maneuver. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.